Like if you want to get rich quickly, this is not a place for you. But it's actually a gradual process, stage by stage. You will lose money, you will have psychological effects on your body, on your brain and everything. You give up, you come back, you give up, you come back. But you just have to have patience and confidence in what you're doing.
Hi, Victor. How are you?
I am good.
Good to hear.
Yeah.
Good to hear. Victor from Canada. So it's pretty early in the morning where you are. So thank you for
Yes.
joining us for this interview.
Yeah,
Tell
my
us,
pleasure.
tell us a little bit about yourself.
Okay. Like my name is Victor. I'm actually based in Canada right now. I'm actually a student though. I'm running a program, financial planning.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so I think that's basically it about myself.
Okay, so we're here
Yeah.
today because we are celebrating the target on the $15,000 account. You are still on the original version of the funded trader program So you mainly trade on Forex pairs, on currency pairs. But tell us a bit about your experience in trading. Are you a full-time trader or is it a second source of income for you?
Right now, I would say full-time trader
Mm-hmm.
through the platform. Um, Basically, my story, my journey, I started basically 2020.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in Nigeria back then. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I started with my cousin. So like it was not smooth sailing though. It was ups and down.
Ups and
I
downs.
lost, yeah, I lost some money. I gained some, I lost some, but I was not consistent. I left, I came back. I think I took a break for like 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
I came back, went again, I came back. So that's basically it till I think 2022.
I
I
see.
started, yeah,
I see. I
20,
see.
yeah, 2022 December.
And is this the first account that you have with us, or you had others in the past?
Okay, this is the first account I have with you guys with Audacity.
That's good. So, as a first account with us, I think we can be pleased with the results. You did very well.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I started. I think I started on September last year with
Mm-hmm.
you guys. But I had school. I had also many projects on my hands, so I was not really focused on trading right back then. So I took a break. I remember I took like actually 4 months break
Mm-hmm.
from September to December. I came back early. I came back on January this
Mm-hmm.
year. So I decided to focus since I had to. Yeah.
That's good.
I had to make income for myself.
That's actually very good. And you said something that is really important. One of the main characteristic and main points when it comes to trading is that is not enough to have just a solid strategy. You also need to be in the right space of your mind, because the psychological effect that there is in the market has a very, very big impact. So if you are already not in the right stage, or for example, as you were saying, you were busy with your school or with other things, then it's better to take a step back. Unfortunately, not many people are that firm like yourself, like you did, and they tend to overtrade or just to chase the market. And that unfortunately almost never lead
Work.
to good results. Yeah, exactly.
Mm,
Are
you're right.
you working with the other? You mentioned that in the beginning there was a little bit of up and down, and you lost some money as well. Were them
Uh,
your personal funds?
yeah, it was my personal funds.
And when did you start approaching the prop firm industry in general?
In general, I think that was last year. Because I relocated to Canada last year in January. So I started like I didn't actually know any. I didn't actually have any experience on any prop firm actually. I think Audacity was my first, and I think it's my only first right now.
That's good.
So I saw you guys marketing it on, I think it was Instagram, through my Instagram page. Yeah, so when I clicked on it, they told me the requirement and everything. I did the interview, I passed the stage and everything. So I liked it.
That's very
where I am.
good.
Yeah.
So how has it been your journey so far with
Okay,
us?
it's been good. Yeah, it's been good. Yeah, like I appreciate the customer care. It's very, very, very effective. You guys are actually when I actually I'm confused, I send to the customer care, like I get the reply immediately. So I think that's very good. I don't have any experience in any other profile, but I think that alone is what actually encouraged me. And another thing that actually encouraged me with you guys is the flexibility. Or like if you allowed open account throughout the weekend, you just have to talk to the risk management team if it's possible. If it's not possible, then they'll let you know. But if it's possible, so I think that is commendable also. So I think so far the journey is okay. You guys are patient with traders and it's understandable.
Thank you.
It's okay. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Much appreciated. I'm sure that the support team, by hearing your interview, they will be pleased as well. Thank you. But tell us a little bit more about the strategy, your style of trading, intraday or swing?
Basically, I started when I started training, I started daily, but as time goes, as time went by, I developed a swing strategy. So I normally check the higher time frame from weekly, daily. So I check for a possible reversal trend or a possible trend, because you can't determine that in the lower time frame. So you actually determine that when I check for it in the daily time frame. Then I enter my entry at 4 hours at the lower time frame. But my confirmation normally based on the daily time frame. So I'll say it's swing, not daily. So I place it for a couple of, I think, highest a week to get my target profit.
So you do your top-down analysis, starting from a higher time frame,
yes,
and then you place your entries on the 4 hours chart.
Yes, 4 hours chart.
Okay. How do you decide when and how to enter in a trade? What is that you look at?
Okay, no, basically I look at the major key areas like the support and resistance. If I want a bearish movement, if I want a bullish movement, I look for the basic key areas. I emphasize on basic because those are the important key areas. I just look for from the higher time frame. So when I identify those key areas, I basically look for a bullish engulfing, a candlestick, a price action, a candlestick that would actually tell me that this is actually a good reversal. So I wait for 2 confirmation candlesticks. So when I get them, I normally enter the trade. So, but basically, I look for my the support and resistance, the major key areas for bearish and bullish trend.
So basically, market structure and price action.
Price action, yeah, exactly.
No indicator at all?
No, basically it's an empty chart. Empty chart, yeah. So I just use lines just to identify the key areas and everything. So basically it's an empty chart. I don't use any indicators.
Very good. And since you are on the original version of the funded trader program, we were saying you can only trade on major and cross currency pairs. You trade among all of the pairs, or do you have your favorite ones?
Yeah, I basically, when I get my strategy, I trade with all the pairs, but so far right now I just trade on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollars. I think that's my favorite pair right now.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, based on the reason is that it's not easily, yeah, it's affected by the news and everything, but it's well, how I put it, normally I trade on USD pairs and Great Britain, yeah, press, but sometimes when the trend is ongoing, the news comes in, and when the news comes in, I have to close the trade. So I think it is a little bit of frustrating and everything. So I tend to just avoid those pairs for now. I just focus on Australia.
That's actually
for news, yes, exactly.
interesting.
So I just focus on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollars pairs. So
that's interesting.
But I normally trade USD pairs, but
okay, that's
it's
fine.
been a while, yes.
And how is it going on the new $30,000 account?
Okay,
can we share something about that? I know you are already, we are still trading on the account, but how is it going in your opinion?
It's going okay. It's going okay. Just patience and everything. So my strategy I'm following, but I just have to be just patient with the trade and everything. But it's going okay. It's going far.
That's good. That's very good to hear. That's very good to hear. Victor, piece of advice to someone that is just now entering in the market, in the industry.
Okay.
Based on your own experience.
Based on my experience, I would say this is not the get rich scheme quick. Like if you want to get rich quickly, this is not a place for you. But it's actually a gradual process, stage by stage. Like if you want to start, like you will lose money, you will have psychological effects on your body, on your brain and everything. You give up, you come back, you give up, you come back. But you just have to have patience and confidence in what you're doing. At the end of the day, it's going to pay out. It's going to pay out belief. If you just have to if you develop a strategy that it works for you well, good for you, then just you have patience with yourself. Give or take within 2 to 3 years, you'll be up there. So I think that's the advice I have.
Very good, Victor. Thank you very much. So I will be waiting for you so we can, update this interview once we get on a bigger account size, okay?
Okay, no problem.
In the meantime, best of luck in your account and best of luck with everything. Speak soon.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.